Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Polkadot, which Polkadot is still trading at its lower Fibonacci level, currently priced at around $49 at this moment. And what we've been seeing is just multiple days of the price of Polkadot not really doing much at all. Now, I'm saying that we're all within an ABC correction. As you can see with Polkadot, it had started out at this 52-week low on July 13th. It went up in an A wave to a price that was around $9.70 or so, somewhere around there. And then we had seen pullback happen with Polkadot, and it came back down within this B wave, and it just was basically finding that bottom again. So it's hit this bottom twice, and from this point, it's just been consistently trading sideways. So with Polkadot right now, I think what we're going to probably be seeing is hopefully some move to the upside. Now, there's a lot really going on here within this next week with crypto. So there are still some bearish possibilities of what could happen. But at the same time, when we do look at other altcoins, some of the other altcoins, they're performing very well. And for example, Quant, XRP, Cosmos, Stellar XLM, those ones are doing much better than some of the other cryptocurrencies that are out there. So analyzing the current movements within Polkadot, that first wave that we had, the wave A, that was a 5-wave move. The wave B, that was an ABC type move. So there's still that possibility of having 2 more waves within that. But right now, we're just calling it at the 3 waves. Now, we do have this smaller wave structure going on right here, right after that B wave. And we can kind of just call this part of a little ABC pattern going on here after that completion, and saying that this is part of an ABC is what we're working on. Hopefully, as we do extend this C wave, this will be what would start pumping us out of that Fibonacci level. But we're not 100% sure about that right now. So saying that bottom there that we had, as we did retouch that Fibonacci level, if that was the completion of the B wave, then the C wave, this larger C wave here, there is the possibility of seeing this be that big corrective wave, sending that price of Polkadot up and breaking through these other Fibonacci levels. So looking at what is causing a lot of the resistance within this Fibonacci level right now is the moving averages. So after around mid-September, when the price of Polkadot fell under that 50-day moving average and then that 20-day moving average, you can see these longer candlesticks as it was doing such, and the multiple attempts that it had trying to break through it. So it's really been tightening up right underneath it. It's on that attempt to break through right now. And this 20-day moving average is just one where a lot of this resistance is right now at this moment. If it's able to pump through this moving average and then get to that 50-day moving average, if it can pump through that, we're really close to being within that bull market support band, which the bull market support band right now is starting at a price of around $7.80, somewhere around there, but it's continuously falling down lower. That's one of those things that if we're able to get on the other side of that, then we're going to see more price movements. And the bull market support band is also right up within that 100-day moving average. Now, all these different moving averages are real close together for the 20, 50, and the 100-day. The 200-day moving average is still a ways up there. So if we are able to at least retrace that top Fibonacci level that we saw in the last run with Polkadot, then in that case, if we're able to see that happen, then for sure we'll be able to move on the other side of this bull market support band more than likely, which currently is coming down and going to be at around a $9 price. So very likely that we could see all this play out just right if that was to happen, where you can see our top Fibonacci level and our bull market support band. So really, in my opinion, if we were just to see things start turning around, Polkadot has a really good chance of seeing this C wave play out. But right now, just a lot of things keeping the price under. So looking at how things could be possibly playing out within this larger wave C here, more than likely as it does pump through this Fibonacci level and get on the other side of that bull market support band, and also hopefully break through that 200-day moving average, there could be a lot of momentum within this. And this is why I am thinking that it could possibly be going to a price of around $12. And obviously, this is going to take us more out. So possibly within the month of November somewhere, I'm thinking. And of course, that's all if this becomes something. If we're going to be able to see this little correction here actually make some sort of move to the upside, then that would be the beginning of our first wave. Then we'll have a wave come down, and then we'll start moving up, hopefully within 5 waves within the C wave. Very similar like we did with the A wave, but also a much larger price movement within that, much larger impulses within the C wave, I'm thinking. And that would be all part of hopefully a larger 5-wave impulse to the upside and see a lot of retracement within Polkadot from there. So that is the current price news with Polkadot. Hopefully we start to see more price movements here soon. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump on the next cryptocurrency to talk about. So I'll just go ahead and see you guys in the next video coming here very soon. Thank you for watching and listening.